Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to experiment with a fresh start in Brawl Stars or try out different strategies without impacting your main account? Luckily, it's easy to have two Brawl Stars accounts and switch between them. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up. Let's go. It is possible to have two accounts in Brawl Stars. Whether you're using an Android phone, tablet, iPhone, or iPad, all of them are compatible with this process. First, you'll need a unique Supercell ID, an email address for each account, and create free ones if you need more. But before switching to another account, safeguard first your main account. On Brawl Stars, go to Settings in this menu bar and find Supercell ID. Link your main account to a Supercell ID if you haven't already. The button will then turn green and will have a check mark if you set it up. Here in the Supercell ID settings, click the gear button and find Logout to disconnect your main account. After disconnecting your account, you'll see an option like Play without Supercell ID. Click on it and start your new game. Play the tutorial and set up your new account. You will be asked to input your alias and confirm your age. Once you've played a bit, go back to Settings and link this new account to a different Supercell ID. Click the ID button. Choose Register a Supercell ID. Then continue to confirm. Enter your email, then register. The verification code will then be sent to the email. Provide the code, then tap OK. Your created game account is now connected to Supercell ID. You will also be prompted to enter an ID name that will be shown on your profile. Just don't use your real name. Choose an avatar that best suits you. A switch button will then appear in the menu beside Supercell ID. It is a confirmation that you added your account successfully. Remember that on Android, uninstalling the app wipes the Supercell IDs you've saved. On iOS, only a device reset will wipe saved logins. Should this happen, just repeat the steps above. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.